Hello everyone, welcome back to Protech Genius, your favorite tech channel. Well, this is me Surya Prakash, and in today's video, I'm just going to show you guys how to create a Textnow account in 2024. I'm just going to explain all the step-by-step process for it. If you are a constant follower of my channel, you may already know that in January I posted a video on the same topic. How to get a Textnow number in the year 2024. But right now there has been a lot of changes in the Textnow application. There has been nearly 4 to 5 updates. Even right now, as of April, there was an update. As you can see, as of April 1st, there was an update. So the app just keeps changing, and more bad news are the only things which awaits for the Textnow users or the people who wants to access the Textnow application. But do not worry, I'll be covering everything and I'll be showing you guys how to solve everything. And at the end of this video, you will be able to create a Textnow account and obtain a number if you just follow what I say in this video clearly. So make sure to watch this video until the end. Do not skip any part of this video. First of all, do not install any mod or some other Textnow application, Textnow APK, which they claim they can easily bypass the Textnow restrictions. I mean, there are nothing like that which can bypass the Textnow restrictions. You must go in the proper legal manner. So just install the Textnow application directly from the Play Store. But for a few people, it may not be available, and you may face errors like this. Looking for Textnow call plus text unlimited. This app isn't available on Google Play in your region. Well, this error is actually pretty easily resolvable. I myself installed this application from the Google Play Store. Let me show you guys the actual real proof. As you can see, app download from Google Play Store, Textnow. So as you can see, I downloaded this from the official site. So I'm just going to teach you guys how to do it. First of all, head on to this website, textnow.com. There you will find an option. If you are an Android phone user, you get an option as get it on Google Play. Just click on this. It will just redirect you to the direct download page. I am using a Samsung device, so this application is available both on the Galaxy Store and the Google Play Store. But if you are using some other phones, it's not a problem. If you just get redirected in this way, you'll be able to download the application directly. But still, few people may face problems. Like example, if you are located in the Pakistan or Bangladesh, you may still face issues. So for those people, I would give a direct download link in the description and the first comment. So just go take a look at it and just download the application. Now moving on, after downloading, just install the application and open the application. This is the application which we are speaking about. Here you would have two options, one to sign up and one to log in. You just click on sign up. I guess you are here to make an account, so it's just not going to take a look at the login. We are just going to focus on the signing up for Textnow. Remember, if you just click on sign up with the email, it may work or it may not work. But I do not recommend it, as there are like 80% chance where you may fail. Just remember, the main reason why we are facing issues in the Textnow application is because because of a certain update of the Textnow application. If you want more details, then just go take a look at the video named Textnow update. There all the information would be covered. If I'm just going to brief it up, it's something like a law has been passed by the US government to restrict people who are located outside the US and Canada, especially the people who are located in the Asian countries such as India, Pakistan, Bangladesh. Those people are restricted from getting access to a USA phone. Textnow is an application which provides us with a free USA number, right? So with this number, a lot of people actually use the number for making spam or scam calls or messages, and a lot of people fall for there and they lose their money. So in order to stop or restrict this, there was a law implemented back in 2023, I guess mid 2023. I do not remember the exact month and date. So after the regulations, Textnow was obviously the market leader. Even right now, Textnow is the only free virtual number providing application which has over 100 million plus downloads in the Google Play Store. So obviously it is the market leader and it has over 4.4 star rating. None of the other applications has a good rating or download like this. So the the US government actually implemented their law first of all in the Textnow and the Google Voice applications. So they restricted their access to the people who are located outside the US and Canada. So that's the time when we started facing the issues. But still, just click on sign up. Yeah, like I told you, you have two options: continue with Facebook, continue with Google. Just make sure to continue with either Google or Facebook in order to successfully make an account. The best advice which I can give you is when you are making an account, make sure that you are connected to a USA VPN, not a free one, but a premium VPN like which I have now. Obviously, this is a paid VPN, so I do not recommend you guys to use it. You can try other VPNs. Well, there are a lot of VPNs. Just don't come and blame me if you buy purchase this VPN and it's not working. It may work sometimes, it may not work sometimes. Well, there are a lot of free VPNs too, which are not famous. Just go use those VPN servers to make an account. But just make sure that your IP address is not marked as flag or spam by the servers. Now, the real trouble starts after installing the application. That is when you go click on sign up, if you just continue with Google or Facebook, you just be redirected again and again to the same page. You would be wondering what is happening. So I just went and tried out, signing up with email. That was the time which I got this error. Textnow is unavailable in your country. Even after connecting to VPN, we would be still facing this issue. In order to rectify this, just long press on this and navigate to the settings over here. Clear the entire data by clicking over here and OK. Now the entire data would be cleared. Now go back to the application. Just do not go back to the application, but change your IP address. I guess my public IP address has been marked as spam, so I'm just going to choose something from Ashburn. I'm just going to choose one with the lowest ping and lowest load. So choose a server like this and go try again. If you just keep on trying, you will be able to actually successfully solve this error. But just remember, it is hectic work, and for the people who failed more than 10 times, I do not recommend you guys to use this application, as even if you make an account, there are a lot of bad news awaiting you, which I would tell in the later part of this video. But just remember, if you are facing issues here more than 10 times, please go choose the other Textnow alternatives. There are a lot of Textnow alternatives. If you are just focusing on using it for social media, well, then there are a separate set of applications. And if you are focusing on cold calling, well, there are a different set of applications. I will leave what are the best alternatives in the description and the first comment, so go take a look at it. For the people who succeeded in clearing this error, the next error you would be facing is going to be the area code error. That is, when you are actually going to choose a local phone number, you would be prompted to enter an area code. For example, 315 stands for New York. So that is the most famous code which I've been using. I already have 2 to 3 numbers in those area code. All the other accounts were disabled. So right now I only have 2 to 3 accounts. And all of the 2 to 3 accounts were from the same area code 315. So if you just type 315 or something like 786, you would be displayed with this error. An error has occurred looking for numbers by area code error. That is just means that Textnow has identified that your IP is spam. So what should you do? Just change your servers and try again. This error is actually pretty easily resolvable, but once again, if you are facing any more issues, then you'd have to display the same. You'd have to go over and again make a separate account and go through all the irritating stuffs. And once again, you would have to solve this error and come back and solve the area code error. After solving the area code error, after successfully obtaining number and using it for 2 to 3 days, not even 2 to 3 days, nowadays after the recent update, one of my accounts got this message right after 22 hours, I guess, yes. After the February update 2024, I guess, just after 22 hours, I got this error. Your account was flagged for violating the terms of use. I did not violate any of the terms of use. Yes, I am an Indian and I am not an US citizen, so obviously it is a violation of terms and use. If you think it has been disabled error, you can submit an appeal for review. Obviously, I tried submitting an appeal. I even emailed them, but I did not get any response. But if you are a paid user, you are paying for the application, then you may get a response, but it's not going to be satisfactory. So if you are displayed with this error, just leave hope, just try other alternatives. That is the only thing which you can do. So guys, now I hope all your doubts about this application were cleared. So if you did enjoy watching today's video, just go click on the thumbs up button located below this video in order to support me and my channel. If you want more videos like this, then just go click on the subscribe button and the bell button near the subscribe button in order to receive daily updates like this. Once again, thanks for watching this video. Until then, it's me Surya Prakash from Protech Genius signing off. Let's again meet in the next video. Until then, bye.